Plans with new videos and podcasts weekly. Join our Patreon at patreon.com/Perspective Plans for exclusive videos and more. Visit perspectiveplans.com for all of your planner and stationery needs. Only at Perspective Plans, helping you plan for what's to come. Hello, and welcome to Perspective Plans. In today's video, we're going to be planning in my Every Penny Counts dated budget planner for the month of July, which is super duper crazy. I can't believe it, but the year is almost over, you guys. Of course, we added sticky notes because I didn't want to forget some of my goals. But yeah, let's go ahead and jump on into it. You can check out this planner at perspectiveplans.com and use our code PLAN20 for 20% off your order. That's our forever code that never ever expires. So thank you in advance for supporting the shop as well as watching. So without further ado, let the plan begin. It's not how much money you make, but how much money you keep, how hard it works for you, and how many generations you keep it for. Robert Kiyosaki. All right, month of July. So let's go ahead and write in our financial goals. I love pre-planning with sticky notes and things of that nature because at times I always forget what I want to write for a financial goal when it comes to comment on camera. So this definitely has been helping me. So first things first, don't touch the emergency fund, which I do feel like I've been doing pretty well, but because we have all the July sales, I just might, but I'm hoping I won't, but no guarantees. I'm going to stay positive either way. The second one is stick to the budget, which can also be a bit of a hard thing for me when there's so many sales during the summer. But yeah. And lastly, track monthly expenses. I did pretty well last month, so I'm hoping I'll be able to keep on that good path this month as well. And of course, we have our boxes for our credit score tracking and notes that I need to write throughout the month. As far as dates to remember, I just have my mother's birthday, and her birthday is on the 2nd. So I'll just write that in. And there we go, we're finally in quarter 3, but the year is definitely going by pretty quickly. All right, so essentially, I think for the savings, I think I want to do a potential vacation. I've been seeing a lot of people doing videos on YouTube about hopping on the Icon of the Seas, which is like the biggest cruise ship of the year. I've never been on a cruise. However, I do really want to go on a cruise. It's not going to be the biggest ship in the world, but I would like to start somewhere. So definitely saving for a potential vacation. And I've been learning a lot of tips and tricks from watching all these wonderful YouTube videos. And yeah, I'll leave a few down below if I can remember to do so. Save now, spend later, unknown. Of course, we're in our neutral planner, but I'm super excited. So now without further ado, I need my my neutral sticker books. Maybe we could use the colorful sticker books, and then next month I'll grab the neutral stickers to decorate. Yeah, let's do that, because I don't know where they are right now. So we have an empty box right here and 3 empty boxes right there. As far as money for the vacation, I'm thinking $3,200, just to be safe. I'm not sure if that's a good number, high number, too low. I'm still new to vacationing. However, I think that's a pretty safe number to keep it at. And yeah. So now without further ado, let's go ahead and track some bills. And lately I've been getting gas on Mondays, so I'm gonna pop that in here every 2 weeks. Oops, put it on for good. So we have car note. All right, let's track some paydays. All right, let's add some empty boxes and then we'll throw some icons on top. All right, so now the 16th. And then all right, so let's go ahead and grab our icons. Alrighty, everything is with a sticker for the most part because we don't have like a Spotify sticker, which is why I definitely love doing my budget plan with me in digital form because I have a digital, in my digital bundle, there is a Spotify like Apple Music sticker. So yeah, but you know, Spotify doesn't do that, and Spotify Happy Planner doesn't do that, but that's okay. So now without further ado, let's go ahead and write some stuff in. So we have rants. If you have tried bullet journaling, time blocking, or just plain old to-do lists but haven't found the right solution to manage your time, then it's time to try out the Hourly Planner Bundle. This is the ultimate planner with everything you need to manage your schedule and get things done today. Featuring 300 plus planner pages with and without sidebars, 100 plus event and holiday labels, and over 2,000 plus planner stickers in 14 unique colors. All this and more can be found in our Hourly Planner Bundle, available in 2 amazing color options at perspectiveplans.com. Paperback edition, now available at Amazon. Helping you plan for what's to come. Always on the first. Then we have, I think this is Stars. And right now it's still $1.99, which is great, as I anxiously wait for P-Valley. Then we have Capital One. And that is going to be, well, I'm not sure because the bill hasn't came yet. But I've been pretty good on not spending too much money on my credit cards, so that's good. Then we have Hulu here, Hulu and Disney, because we have the Disney bundle thing. And I think that's like $10, but I'm not gonna write it in because, you know, the prices love to change. Then we have Citi Card. Chase Freedom. And then Freedom Unlimited. And then we have our light bill, Entergy. All right, car note, Wi-Fi. Oh, I didn't do student loans. I need to add that one too. All right, so we have Netflix here. And I'm not gonna write the price because lately Netflix's price has been changing. But we definitely have HBO Max. I know HBO Max recently upped their price, like by $1. But you know, we'll leave that blank because House of the Dragon will likely warrant another price increase, I'm sure. I don't want it to happen, but I can feel it. Pedal card. And then we have Visible, and then My Visible. So my mother pays for her and my brother's phone bill, so that's $50 total, $25 each for both, and then mine is $5, thanks to all of you wonderful people. using my visible code, which will likely be popping up on the screen. But yeah, you get unlimited talk, text, and data, which also allows you to do what is it? I think it's like, what is it called? Hotspot. So the hotspot allows you to share your data with your other devices on the go, and it's super handy. I adore it. It's of course by Verizon. Love it, love it, love it. Great phone service and a great bill. But yeah, so the 30th, what else? Stopped on visible. Oh, so Philo here. Adore Philo, which is one of our last TV subscriptions. Mom's Apple bill, Apple Card, and then my Apple Card. Create a budget that works for you and track your debt, monthly bills, savings, expenses, cash envelopes, sinking funds, savings challenges, and more. This budget planner is perfect to take control of your finances, even if you are a beginner and just started your financial journey. Featuring 200 plus planner pages with and without sidebars, over 1,500 planner stickers in 14 unique colors, and 50 plus quote layering stickers that allow you to customize the background to match your planner style. All this and more can be found in the Budget Planner Bundle, available in 2 amazing color options at PerspectivePlans.com. Paperback edition, now available at Amazon. Helping you plan for what's to come. Alrighty, I'm gonna leave that blank. Monthly spending, I typically add that in at the end of the month and do like a grand total savings goal. I'm gonna start with my potential vacation fund, and yeah, I think we're looking really, really good, you guys. Really, really good. I'm quite happy. Okay, so let's go ahead and add some stuff. As you can see, I pre-typed, well not pre-typed, I pre-wrote some things in, and then of course we have the stickiest sticky notes. So we have transportation, gas, and then car insurance, and I forgot car note. I don't know why I forgot car note, but let's do that. Car note and then car insurance. Not care insurance, car insurance. Alright, I'm gonna write all that in as it comes in. Of course, for entertainment, we have social. So lately, there's been a lot of really cool social gatherings in the city of BR, and I just want to have some money set to the side to go and enjoy that social outing. And even though the month just started, I spent $76 at Uber Eats, well, on Uber Eats. And the food wasn't that tasty. So hopefully this will teach me to stop spending money with Uber Eats. Because 9 times out of 10 it's not worth it. We have Amazon Prime, Disney Plus, and Hulu, and then Gym. So we're gonna toss our sticky notes to the side. So we have student loans and credit cards for debt. Apologies for the bad handwriting in advance. And I don't know what I wanted to write for personal, so we're gonna leave that blank for now. But we have Costco, social, rent, lights, internet. I think this is good so far, and of course as we go along we're gonna still fill it in because I haven't entered my paychecks, income, expenses remaining. So yeah, he who buys what he does not need steals from himself, Swedish proverb. A very, very good quote for the month of July. All right, so money is a terrible master but an excellent servant. P.T. Barnum. So we're going to be using our expense logs, doing our weekly expenses, so stay tuned for that video. But I think we're done for our playing with me today, you guys. And yeah, thanks so much for playing with me. Apologies for not decorating, but we have so many more playing with me's to do where we can decorate. But right now, it's definitely been a pretty functional video. So I think that's where I want to leave it. Thanks so much for playing with me today, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. I just want to take a moment to thank our patrons and channel members. This episode would not be possible without your support. Thank you. And if you would like to support the show, visit patreon.com/perspectiveplans today. Thank you so much for stopping by and pressing play. I truly appreciate it. Let me know down below in the comments or your podcast review what tip you'll be using. Keep planning for what's to come, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.